Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Apps Academy. Today in this video, we will be learning how to refer a friend on DoorDash. Referring a friend on DoorDash is a great way to earn rewards while helping others discover a convenient food delivery service. First of all, launch the DoorDash app open on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. From the home page, tap the Me button at the bottom right corner. Within the Me menu, tap on Settings at the top. From the Settings menu, tap on Refer Friends, get $1. Now on the next page, you will see a unique referral link. Tap on it and then tap on the Copy button to copy your referral link. Now you can share it manually to any of your friends via text, email, or social media. Once your friend receives the link, they should click on it and sign up for a DoorDash account. It is important that they use your link so the referral is tracked. Your friend also must place an eligible order, usually with a minimum amount, within a certain time frame to activate the referral. After the order is completed, both you and your friend will receive your referral bonuses. This may vary by location and time, but often includes discounts or credits. So, it is that easy to refer a friend on DoorDash. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I will see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.